In this video, we will be installing rear shock absorbers on a Jeep Wrangler JK 2013. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. A pair of shock absorbers. Safety warning sheet, brand sticker, brand instruction. Tools required for the shock removal and installation. You will need a 1/2-inch electric impact wrench, a 1/2-inch torque wrench, 1/2-inch long extension, 18mm wrench, 18mm deep socket, 16mm deep socket. Using a transmission jack to assist during the installation, lift the vehicle, then jack up and support the rear axle. Using an 18mm wrench with an 18mm deep socket electric impact wrench to remove the shock and rear axle bolts. Remove the original bolt. Then remove the upper shock bolts which are at the front end of the exhaust muffler. Using a 16mm deep socket with a long extension electric impact wrench to remove the upper shock secure bolts. Remove the original nut, bolt, and the shock. Here's our new shock absorber. It is compatible with 5.5 to 7-inch lift kits. The vehicle has already been equipped with 7-inch lift springs and is now ready for shock absorber installation. Using a 16mm deep socket with a long extension to tighten the upper shock absorber bolt. Using the same tools with an electric impact wrench to snug up the upper rear shock absorber bolts on both sides. Install the bottom shock absorber to the axle mounting bracket using factory bolt and nut. Snug the nut using an 18mm wrench. Using an 18mm deep socket and torque wrench, tighten the nut to 120 Nm or 89 foot-pounds. Using a 16mm deep socket with long extension torque wrench, torque the bolts to 80 Nm or 59 foot-pounds. Tighten the other mounting nut, which is directly behind the exhaust muffler. Lower and remove the jack. Lower the vehicle. You are now complete with this installation.